been about 5 hours since I started this morning. This is my $600R. It's got 3,000 miles on it, 2010. I put the racing Dio back together with special pipes and special everything. And I washed my Zuma. These are kind of practice videos because I don't know if I can get this video up on YouTube. We'll see. So the bike's running good. Next thing I'm going to do is take that carburetor, put a 32 Mikuni Can race carburetor, Sedco on it. And it's looking good over here. All the gauges are good. That's naturally I had my Superman keychain, of course. Everything seems to be working okay for how old it is. This little gyro's running real good. Okay, I gotta stop.